Hey guys, what's up? This is Shiva and welcome to my another Clickbank training video. In this video guys, I will show you how you can make commission as an affiliate marketer. And today I will show you how you can promote Clickbank offer using free traffic method without any website. So you can see I'm making money with Clickbank. You can see this is my earning $1,436. This is my only 2 months earning guys. You can see I'm getting from last 2 month commission almost every week. So I'm using free traffic method and I will show you the same method, the same strategy that I am following to make money as an affiliate marketer. So if you want to know more about how you can make money as an affiliate marketer from your home using your laptop or your smartphone or an internet connection, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and if you have any question you can mention in comment section. I will definitely answer. And let's dive into in today's method. So guys, I'm promoting law of attraction related offer. If you are working in as a in health niche and weight loss niche and any kind of other niche, you can use the same strategy that will work. This strategy work for any kind of niche. If you are whatever niche you are in, weight loss, wealth, relationship, so you can use the same strategy. So I'm promoting law of attraction related offer, so I will show you the same offer and the same strategy that I am using. So let's go to one marketplace and click on spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, and you can see manifestation magic. So I am promoting manifestation magic. You can see this is very popular product and its gravity right now 197. It means 197 affiliates are promoting and successfully getting sales and earning good amount of commission. So you can see I have total made from this only one product $973.35, and the upsell amount is $446.15. So you can see almost my earning comes from manifestation magic. So guys, if you want to learn step by step how you can build your online business, so you can sign up for my free course. You can check the link in description. This is completely free course. You can learn step by step how you can create your online business, like the success mindset, affiliate marketing, lead generation, forum marketing, YouTube marketing. There are so many topics you will cover in this course. This is completely free course. You can check the link in description. And so what you have to do, you have to click on this and you have to go on the sales page of manifestation magic. So right now there is a raining season, that's why there is an internet problem. So what you have to do, you have to copy this URL, manifestation magic's official URL, and you have to go on similarweb.com. So on similarweb you have to put your URL in search bar and hit enter. So basically on similarweb you can check the details, how much traffic coming on this particular website on monthly basis, and which are the top traffic company and all the details. So you can see its category rank 103 1396, and you can see its monthly traffic 450,000 people visiting on this website. So you can see this is a lot of traffic. So you can see 43% of traffic coming from United States. So you have to scroll down and we will use social media to drive traffic on this offer. So you can see most of traffic coming from YouTube. So you can see 40% of traffic coming from YouTube. So we will use YouTube to drive to promote this offer. So what you have to do, you have to create a YouTube channel based on law of attraction niche. So, but you don't have to worry about to record a video to show your face in your video. You can use this free tools to create your YouTube video. So this site called Content Samurai. So you can sign up for 7-day free trial and you can create so many videos. So what you have to do, you have to go on Google and search how to manifest money. So for example, let's check out this article. And you have to copy this article. So you can create so many videos. So you have to first find a good article and you can edit this article in video format and you can change little bit so that you cannot get any kind of trouble like copyright issue and any other kind of issue. So you have to sign up for free trial. So I have already signed up, so I am just logging into my account. So you can create so many videos on law of attraction, how to attract abundance, how to be positive, how to manifest car, how to manifest your soulmate. There are so many topics available. You can create video on so many topics and you can create videos and you can upload on your YouTube channel and you can also mention your affiliate link in your video description. So you can see. So after login into your account, you have to my free trial expire. So guys, my free trial was also expired. So I will show you how you can sign up for Content Samurai. So you have to just enter your name, enter your email address, and hit on get instant access, get access now, and then you have to confirm your email address. So let me show you. So you have to confirm your email address, then you have to reset your account password and then you can log in into your account. So guys, after login into your account, you have to click on create a new video. So you can easily make a, a beautiful video, a good video in just 10 minutes. So you have to click on video from an article and blog post and you have to select templates. You can select any kind of template that you want to choose and you have to paste article. So that article you want to convert in video, so you can simply mention in your starting of a video. So before we start our video, if you want to manifest real cash, then you can check the link in my in the description. So that's it, and then you have to click on create scene for your video. So it will take some time to create scenes for your video, and so you can see. So if you want to change the image, change the background image, you can change from here. You can also upload the image that you want to upload, and then what you have to do, you have to click on voice. So if you want to add any kind of music, any kind of recording, and if you don't want to any kind of upload um, sound, you just have to click on auto voice, and you have to select if you want a female voice, if you want a male voice, you can select here, and then you can place sample.
Hi, my name is Heidi and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back.
So you can click on preview. So after your preview will done, you can easily download your video, and you can upload this video on your YouTube channel. So you can upload minimum 3 to 4 video in 1 week, and you don't forget to mention your affiliate link in your video description. So whenever people watch your video, and if they like your video, and they will subscribe your channel, so that in this way you will also grow your YouTube channel, and through your affiliate link you will also earn a good amount of commission. So you can see Google and YouTube are the most profitable traffic base. From YouTube you can drive so much traffic on your affiliate link, and you can earn good amount of commission on daily basis. So that's it guys in today's video. I hope you get value from this. So this is very simple work guys. You can easily do this work, and you can create a good amount of commission. And if you want to learn in details how you can build your affiliate marketing business, so you can check the link in description for our free course. So this is completely free course. You will learn step by step how you can build your online business. So that's it guys in today's video. I hope you get value from this. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.